Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set any TikTok video as your lock screen live wallpaper. So this is a very simple process overall, and as long as you follow these steps, you're able to get a TikTok video as your lock screen live wallpaper. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up TikTok. Once you open up TikTok, what we're going to do is search for any video that we like. So now once we find the TikTok video that we want to make our live wallpaper on our lock screen, what we can do is just simply tap on the fourth icon on the right side, so the three dots right here. And then what we're going to do is press live photo. Now once you press live photo, it'll convert into a live photo. And then you're just going to press OK. And now it says live photo saved successfully, and you have to go to your Photos app or your camera roll. So now if we go to it, it will say live in the top left. So that's what you want to see. And then if we tap and hold, you'll see it will begin to play. Now in order to set this TikTok video as our live wallpaper, all I have to do is just simply tap on the share button. So all I have to do now is just tap on the button with the arrow pointing up on the very bottom left. And then it'll give us all these options right here. So what we're going to do is just choose use as wallpaper. And now what we're going to do is make sure live photo is on right at the bottom. And then we can choose to set it. And then we're going to choose set lock screen. So now what we can do is just go ahead and try it out. So now what we can do is simply tap and hold anywhere on the screen. And now I can see that the video is playing. And now you can see that it actually is working, and this is the lock screen on my iPhone. So once again, this works on any device running iOS 14 and above, and it's just that simple. So hopefully you thoroughly enjoyed this video on how to get any TikTok video as your live wallpaper on your lock screen. If you did, be sure to smash the like button down below. Check out all the other videos on my channel. Be sure to check out AppleCritics.com for Apple news, and more. And also be sure to check out all the other videos on my channel. Be sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and follow me on social media. My username there is AppleCritics, and thanks for watching.